siblings away from you. You deserve all blessing you have now because all of your sacrifice for us is all worth it. And to Dada, we are thankful for being always me at Mama's side. We are hoping to take care our mom, love her unconditionally. As we love her, I wish you both so much happiness and hope you are how much you are loved. Again, congratulations and love you all guys. Thank you.
Rainy, what posted on her reels or her Facebook account, it gives me a mixed emotion, like a happy one that I am seeing my mother, walking down the aisle in a beautiful white dress, and also on the other side that is waiting for you, with the pure intention, with the love, as us as children. I personally wanted to go there, to witness your vows to each other. However, soon enough, I know that we can go there and get together, bond together. In 3 years from now, kidding aside, now, I can assure you guys, or you both, that I will be there. Soon enough. I love you to both of you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Mama and Dada. Congratulations on your birthday. Thank you so much for everything you did for us and all the sacrifices you did. And Dada always remember that love our mom unconditionally, and I'm very thankful that made mom one of her dreams comes true. And thank you so much for that. And always love you, Dada. See you
Hi,
soon.
Mama and Dada. First, I just want to congratulate both of you. Congratulations, newlywed. And for Mom, where Mom talks a lot and Dada just nods lovingly. And it is where yes, dear started. And happy wife, happy life. See you soon.
Hi, Mama and Dada. Congratulations for both of you. And best wishes for you guys is to lifetime love and happiness. And we miss you. Love you.
Hi, Dada and Mama. I just want to congratulate the both of you. Their wedding. And Dada, please take care of my mom. You know that. And I love you and I miss you. See you soon. Bye.
Congratulations, I wish you guys good health, good relationship, and for being good grandmother and good mother. And thank you for letting us and guiding us. And thank you for your love and protection. We love you.
Meanwhile, congratulations to both of you. Wishing you both a lifetime of love and happiness. To Dada, Mother, hi. Please do take care of Mama and enjoy every moment you have together. And to Mama, Ma, thank you for being just the kindest mother-in-law that I want to for. Thank you for raising your son well, but he is a good father to you right now. Thank you, Mom, for everything. I am feeling happy for you, Mom. You're such a good mother for us Philippine siblings. You're such a good super mom to them. And I'm thinking that you gave to the man that loves you unconditionally right now, and that's that. I love you both, and may your life together be filled with love, laughter, and lifetime cherished memories. Enjoy, guys. Bye. Congratulations again. I love you both.
Hi, Mama and Dada. Happy wedding. Best wishes to the both of you, and we miss you here in the Philippines. Love you guys.
Hello, Ning! Congrats sa inyo duha sa inyong kasal. Hinawas na mag-modify mo ka mo. I miss you and I love you very much.
Congratulations to my sister Sheena and my husband Jean on your wedding. Wishing you both of you a lifetime in love, joy, and togetherness. Come visit the Philippines again. The King White is waiting for you. Again, congratulations! Hello, Neng! Nandito sa ila, good evening, abunta. Good evening. Happy wedding, Neng. Sana malibayan ka. Iba na din, Neng. Ang hinaot kami sa ino. Ito na sana na ikaw. Dahil na mo sa ano pa, lisahan. Sana ikaw masagot ko ni nagagamit mo sa strength sa na.
These heartfelt greetings from the family and friends in the Philippines